Now let's explore what we can do with the TOMi digital app. Over here, but after I access the TOMi app, I'm going to the classroom section where you can create your and manage your classrooms virtually. So over here, I just created a new classroom called TOMi8 just by hitting here the create classroom button. And over here, I have three different ways to index my students to this classroom. The first one is to invite them with a code that they can enter and access autonomously. The second one is add students one by one. And there's a third one where I can download a template that I am going to fit with the information and then upload to obtain a full classroom full of students. Now let's play lessons offline with TOMi8. So first, let's make sure that the classroom that you're going to be using is already downloaded. You're going to find the download button on the right side of the classroom. Same thing is going to happen with the lessons. You can either choose one of the lessons that you have created or go to the Explore Lessons section where you're going to find the lessons created by the community. Over there, you're going to find an online section and an offline section. So basically, if you choose the lesson that you wanted to present, just make sure that you are going to download it. Same thing, over here you find the download button and the lesson is going to appear on the other side, the offline section. For example, right now I'm going to move to the offline section. I'm going to choose the first lesson that is already downloaded and it gives me an overview of the lesson and also the actions button where I can choose if I want to play the lesson with TOMi Play or if I want to grade the lesson with formats or question by question. Let's choose that one. It's important to consider that we're going to need single choice questions, at least 3 of them, in order to be able to use that lesson. Over here, I'm going to assign the lesson to one of the classrooms that I have already downloaded. Let's try this one over here, the first one. Then I'm going to select the questions, single choice questions that I'm going to apply to my students by clicking here. So select, remember, at least 3 of them. And then it's going to give me the possibility to download the question sheet to hand out to my students. When I click on finish, now I have 2 different options. To present this quiz or this lesson as a quiz, question by question to answer with the QR codes that you can rotate in order to choose A, B, C, or D, or to use the full format, which is the format that the TOMi8 camera is going to read and then give you a grade.